Hey food lovers, tired of the same old biryani? Let's level up with chicken tikka biryani. Smoky, spiced chicken, layered with aromatic rice for an unforgettable flavor. First up, we're using a whole chicken, coated generously in tikka masala. Sear it on high heat for 5 to 7 minutes until beautifully browned and smoky. Now for the masala base. In hot oil, fry onions until golden brown. Add in ginger and garlic paste, sauté until fragrant, then drop in your chicken. Pour in fresh tomato puree and cook until the oil begins to separate. Season it up with biryani masala, red chili powder, salt, coriander, and cumin powder. I'm adding dried plums for that subtle tang. Totally optional, but so good. Lower the heat before stirring in yogurt and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then comes the smoky twist. Place a hot piece of charcoal, add a few drops of oil, and cover to infuse that irresistible tandoori aroma. In boiling water, add salt, lemon slices, and cinnamon sticks. Toss in the soaked basmati rice and cook it halfway. Drain the water and set aside. Let's layer. Start with rice, then spoon over the chicken masala. Top it off with food color, fresh tomatoes, and another round of charcoal smoking. Cover tightly and let it cook on low heat until everything is steamed to perfection. And there you have it. Bold, flavorful chicken tikka biryani. Ready to serve and impress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.